story, so I spent a few days up in Darwin, and everyone kept saying the same thing: you have to check out Litchfield. So I booked a tour, packed my camera, and hit the road. This is what it's like chasing waterfalls in the Northern Territory at the top end. We kick off the tour around 7 a.m. Early start, but totally worth it. First stop, termites mounds. These things are massive. Some of them were easily twice my height, just standing there in the middle of nowhere like ancient sculptures. What is crazy is they're not just like pile of dirt, they're living cities built by millions of tiny termites working together. And get this, it can take decades to build one of those big cathedral mounds. Some grows just a few centimeters a year. So when you see one that's like 4 meters tall, you are looking at something that could be over 50 years old. Pretty wild for something built by bugs.
Look at its size, it's massive. Oh my goodness.
We made a few random stops along the way, just soaking in the views. There's something about the landscape here that feels untouched, like raw and beautiful at the same time. Eventually, we reached our first swimming spot, crystal clear water, surrounded by trees and super refreshing. Honestly, I couldn't just started there for the rest of the day.
A little bit longer, it doesn't matter, I don't mind. Well, you guys, but yeah, I'd say walk this way, you go to the top and then just pick your own little pool and you can jump into the next one.
And the view just kept getting better and better. You turn a corner and bam! Another postcard moment. But yeah, it started getting crowded. Tour buses were rolling in, and suddenly we weren't the only ones chasing waterfalls. Still, the energy was good. Everyone was stoked to be out there.
Today is about waterfalls and waterfalls.
At some point, we saw this massive waterfall off in the distance. Didn't even know we were headed there, but we decided to get closer. The closer we got, the more epic it looked. By the time we arrived, it felt like one of those places you only see in travel magazines. Obviously, we jumped in.
We are getting closer and closer to this big waterfall. It's been amazing.
Let's go, let's go, let's go! Get chilly when you get in. Let's go! That's very cool. Get chilly.
That swing hits different. The water was so cool, calm, and there were little fish swimming around. Didn't expect that, but it made me feel even more alive. We just floated, chilled, took it all in. It was one of those moments you want to stretch out forever.
I'm so hungry, so hungry. Lunchtime, time to put some petrol in this tank and fill it up.
Eventually we made it to another waterfall, and this one was packed. Definitely one of the more popular spots, and you could tell why. Big waterfalls, easy access, and a huge swimming area. People were everywhere, swimming, taking photos, laying on the rocks.
Beautiful monitor lizard. There's so many around because apparently they come in here to eat the tourist food. So they're pretty much used to people. It's amazing. Oh, look at that. It's so close to me. Crystal clear water. Behind me there's another waterfall that I'm going to explore right now. Let's go for a swim, baby. Oh yeah. I'm ready. Ready. Wow, the water is a bit cold to be honest. It's cold. Okay, I'm swimming right now. My body is getting used to it. I'm getting closer and closer. Oh yeah. Wow, it's been amazing. What a great day. If you ever come to Darwin, you want to check it out because it's beautiful. Nice hiking, beautiful landscape. Look at this beautiful waterfall behind me. And this is one of so many, you know? Nice.
I found this quiet little corner in one of the pools. Just sat there, water up to my shoulders, sun on my face. Didn't even think about filming for a bit. It was that peaceful. But then, day was winding down, but no one was really in a rush to leave. By the time we got back to Darwin, it was close to 5 p.m. Felt like a full day, but the kind that recharges you. If you're ever up here, do this. Book the tour, bring your camera, leave your worries behind. Litchfield's got a way of showing you just how good nature can be.